Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this. This is a Ennovor, and it is a industrial endoscope. So I'm going to show you guys what this is and how it works. So let's open it up here, and I'll see everything that's in there. This is going to be the most of it, but there will be some more components in there. So we have the part with the camera, we have the display, we have the camera over here, and then we have the long cord for it. And look at that, see, you can kind of, it's good because it's got the strength of it, so I could set it up underneath a car or something like that, or get it into certain areas without having too many difficulties on there. It looks like we have a bunch of different clamps and stuff to connect it up to mount it to something if we wanted to. And then we have a, looks like a recharger from USB to USB-C. So let's see if we can try to figure this thing out here. And I'll turn it on, and it says Endoscope. And we're already working. So here you can kind of see, this is what it looks like there. So I'm showing up, there's my screen there. So I can see Neil's reviews and stuff like that. I can, but for something, you know, close up, let's see, how do we do there? Oh, look at that. I don't know, can you guys see this here? Maybe there. I don't know how this is gonna really zoom. There you can see on my face, all the little hairs and everything. It's super detailed. And so we have the light on it right there. You can see there's a light as I aim it towards you all. Let's see. It even gives us the battery power. What is plus? Oh, we can zoom in. Very cool. And then this is going to be night mode and light mode. Look at that. And then we can do a 180 flip if we wanted to. There's the lights off. Really doesn't make a difference here in this room. This is so bright, but you can see it really is a good camera. And look at how good that does. It's going to get my thumbprint. You guys could steal my thumbprint from that, but that's really cool. Really nice endoscope. So if you're doing any type of analysis, or even if you're just gonna lose things under the couch without having to get up, you can just see that, or see behind stuff, see behind the washing machine when I drop things there. This is just, it's just great for everything. You can just totally find anything with this thing here. For me, it'll probably be more like in the auto parts realm and checking under the car and things like that, but you could probably squeeze this thing, it's long. You can put it all the way through the exhaust or anything like that, and it's gonna give you, you know, a camera view through everything, through a drain, through anything you need. So these things are great. I love these little endoscopes, and this one here is perfect. It's the right size. Totally gonna be a huge long cord for it. Probably says how long the cord is somewhere on here. But I'm gonna guess it's probably 50 feet or so. Let's see, screen size. Doesn't really say. But easily charged and everything like that, and I like it. Thumbs up for sure.